Today, I'd like to share some useful English vocabulary to make your job interview response sound smoother. First word is firstly. This word is used when introducing your first point or to signal that you are about to present your initial idea. For example, firstly, I'm very good at working with other people. Next, we have the place. For example, this is your way giving experience to support your point. For instance, it's my current job. I always to encourage my colleagues. Lastly, three the word. However, this is used to introduce a contrasting point or something that often to previous statement. For example, I know what my needs are. However, I learned to see uncertainty as a chance to explore and grow.